everyone, so here is a bit of a different tutorial. Today we are going to be doing this gorgeous colourful cut crease. We are going to start with my brows as usual. I'm going to use soap and I'm going to push that soap vigorously into my brows, then use my finger. I'm just going to push them up and then shape them into the shape that I want. Then using the Plouise base, I am just underlining the tail of my brow. And this is me dragging the product down onto my eyelid and packing it all over the eye. I'm also using it underneath the eye because the shadow needs something to sit on, and then I am just fluffing out the edges so that we have no harsh lines. The first colour I'm going in with is Love Shy from the Secret Sinner palette. I'm going in with a really small brush and just mapping out where I want my cut crease to be. I then went in with that shade on a slightly bigger brush and I blended it out and really built up the colour. Next shade I went in with was Shuffle from the Carnival XL palette with Stacey Marie. And as you can see, I'm blending this right up into my brow and onto my nose. The next colour is Infatuation, again from the Secret Sinner palette. I absolutely love this pink, it's really unusual. And I'm using that to blend the purple and the yellow together. I then took this colour and I blended out all that purple, but then my camera died. So the rest of that blend was not filmed, unfortunately. Apologies, my bad. The next thing I'm going in with is a wipe and actually a spatula to cut the crease first. I left this part in normal time just so you can see how slow I'm actually cutting the crease. And then obviously I made it faster because it takes so long to cut a crease. Do you not just find it so satisfying, like seeing how clean that cut is? The next shade I went in with was from a Plouise palette. Again, it's Charm, the best white that is out there, and I'm just using the Plouise flat brush to pack that on. I then went back in with the shades from my eye, which were Love Shy and Infatuation, and made like a smoky liner. And then I went in with a nail tool and some white eyeliner and I started drawing on dots, and then sticking on these bastards was a pain in the ass. And then you can see they're all shiny. In fairness, they did make the look, so I am happy I did it. Then here you can see that I basically stamped the lash on, because then when I stick the lash on, the glue is already tacky on the lash and it's also tacky on your eye, so it's like Velcro, they just stick together. Using the shadows underneath my eye, I also pulled my eye nearly down to my mouth. Applied Raver from the Acid Rain paints. Then I used the 37 Inglot Cream Concealer and the Inglot 75 White Pigment. And there you can see the finished eyes, which are absolutely gorgeous. I'm actually obsessed. And then bam, skin is done, lips are done, brows are done. You can clearly see that I am living my best life with this look. Yep, so that is the eyes tutorial. Hopefully we will have a skin one coming soon. Enjoy my outro.